PDD. It's a pretty old game. I think it was made in the 90s, but surprisingly, it's pretty fun. And I'll be playing it along. It's kind of like Minecraft in a way, but not really. And it's kind of a review of the game too and a tutorial. So you do here, press this, new game. Kind of slow. Let me try closing some apps. I'm trying to upload a video. I'm rendering a video on iMovie right now, so probably that's the reason, but yeah. So make a world. And pretty much the point of this game is just making transportation for people in here. So here, let me find some stuff to transport. You look around at the different things up here. Perfect place. Actually, the best thing to do when you start this, look at population. Sort by population. Let me find this city. And build an airport. Start off with, I usually start off with a intercontinental one for the first two biggest cities, because these are the two cities that are going to grow the most. So, and if you try to upgrade, it's really hard. It's not simple at all. So, and you need a lot of money too. 1 second. Let me loan some money out from the bank. Put that there. It's actually a pretty surprisingly fun game, to be honest. My dad showed me it. When I first saw it, I thought, oh, this is the worst game you could ever buy. But surprisingly, you always want to buy the Dinga 200s. They have the biggest passengers. So, yeah, they're pretty good. Then you do go to this airport. Go to, let me find the other one. That. And then go to this airport. Then you do unload, clone aircraft. When you're starting out, this is a pretty stupid thing to do, but you use up all your money, and I can't borrow anymore. I maxed out on my borrowing, so yeah. And you just let the planes go. Wait a bit until you send the next one, and out of this will make you the most amount of money. I love this game. I play it all the time when I'm bored, and it's perfect for laptops, which doesn't have very powerful graphics cards. So yeah, on a PC, I rather play Call of Duty or Battlefield, something, because I have a $400 graphics card on there. Might as well just take advantage of it. But other words, this is perfect for, and it uses some battery, but not that much, and your fans don't. It doesn't heat up that much, so you don't have to spin up your fans that much, and it's really quiet. And I just have my CPU is really hot because I'm trying to make a movie right here. So, yeah. Where it's uploading, it's on YouTube now, but it's still doing some rendering stuff. And I can send out the next one. And just a quick question, what would you guys want to see on this channel? Any suggestions, gaming, views, just vlogging, just talking to a camera pretty much about anything, any ideas, If so, comment it below, and yeah, like it up. Don't forget to subscribe. Trying to start out this channel. I started it about a month ago, but I haven't uploaded since. And I'm just trying to start this channel because I just really like making movies, editing them. I really enjoy doing these sort of stuff, and it's pretty fun. All the videos I've done so far is really fun. Now I'm gonna start the next plane, and here is first time around it goes. It doesn't make any money, but so it just tests out which way to go. But after, it's gonna start making some money. So for example, this one right here is landing. Is it the first time I came here? Let's find out. Um, yeah, I'm currently running this on the MacBook Pro late 2014 Retina display. Money, money, money. No, it doesn't make any money. Now it's gonna go back to the other airport right there, and it's gonna pick up the passengers from there. When you start off, it makes about 20 grand flight, but it goes up pretty quick. It can even make up to, no, sorry, not 20 grand, about like 5 grand. It goes up to even 100 grand a flight, depending how big the city is, how much it's in demand. Yeah, it's a really great game. And if I go on my other one that I already started making, right now I'm 300,000 in debt, pretty much. What I don't like about this game, to change maps, you have to quit the game, but I guess that's okay. If I show you my other map that I worked on, I would say around 20 hours put into it, World 1. As you can see, I have a lot more money, 280 million, and I have a lot of infrastructure too. I have bus stations everywhere. I have the city grew a lot because transportation, right? It started building houses. I have ships that go to oil rigs, trains that go places. I have airplanes here. Here, just a demonstration of how much it makes. Watch this plane right here. Oh no, this plane. That plane just made me 60. It takes such a long time to deload. 30, 20, 21, 16, 13, 7, 4, $353,000, which is quite a lot to be honest compared to one flight. At first, it makes about 5,000, but it grows quite rapidly. And yeah, as you can see, these are the two biggest cities and have trains here. These make about 100,000 a trip, and yeah. The more advanced you get in the game, the more stuff there is. So when you start off with normal train tracks, then you go to electrified, then you go to monorail, and then you go to maglev. This what you're seeing right now is maglev. Trains, they cost a lot more, but in the end, they make you a lot more money. So, yeah, let's see how much I'm making per year. 34,000 last year, that's pretty good. One thing never to do is landscape a huge amount of area. Like right here, see how this is so flat? This is natural. I did that, and it cost me $200 million. And now, see this line right here that goes around the border? I was thinking about making a train along there so it can transport. I spent $600 million on that. So Landscaping is the most expensive thing. A train is cheap, 100,000. A plane, 50,000. And there's also running costs in this game, right? So I'll show you how much my planes make. Like this one makes 1,400,000. This one is losing money. Why is because I never started it. But it costs about 50,000 to run it. See, I made nothing last year, so it lost me 50,000. This one, and you have to replace them, right? The ones that are in red are past the due date, and you have to replace. The reason in the other map I started off with airplanes, because as you can see here, road aircraft income 31 million, total income 34, so it's about 90% of your income. It's huge amount compared to anything else, but the reason you want to make other stuff like trains and buses is because you want to grow your city, right? The more you grow your city, the more people go to the airports. The more people go to the airports, more demand for planes. So therefore, you make loads more money. As you can see here, this airport right here goes 3 cities. It's 3 cities combined into one airport, and there's stations and stuff that I built. Another thing you can do, you can make companies. Like you have to do this before you start the map, but you can make other companies to compete against you. And after 6 years, after they started, like not actual years, like right now I'm the year 2113, but 6 years after it's funded in the game, you can buy it 25% at a time, and you when you reach 100%, you get all their stuff. So you get all their planes, all their infrastructure, everything they built, right? It's a really fun game for laptops. It's not the most fun, but I guess for laptops, I have to say it's one of my favorite games. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.